everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to add photos on story. So for that, please watch the video till the very end. First of all, you need to open the Instagram on your mobile device, then get logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the camera icon within the Instagram to open up your stories, or you can also tap on the photo icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap that. Now once you're at the camera section, to upload a photo or to post a photo on story, you can either click a story right away, or you can tap on the photos over here at the right side, and from the photo gallery you can upload a picture. So I'm just gonna upload this random picture over here. Now this is the photo that I have chosen to upload on Insta story. For you to add more photos, you swipe upward, and from the option you need to click on this plus icon. You click that. Now you will be able to choose another picture that you want to upload. So here's the another picture that I want to upload. So you can make the changes and adjust the picture as you want on the story piece. Once you are okay with the edits, you tap on your story and that post will be uploaded on your Insta story right away. So this is how you can add photos on story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.